Welcome to my beauty room, guys. So I'm just gonna start from entrance on in. So this is where I'm going to be currently filming my sit downs, and this is the backdrop that I got. I got this from Walmart, and I think it was about $15. It's really pretty, and I had some hooks. That's a little black thing up there for if I wanted to add some other ones. I also got these pillows from Walmart as well at the Black Friday sale, so they were like $5 a piece. This other metal pillow came from a set that was on my bed, and this rug right here I got from, I believe, Marshalls, and I believe it was like $20. And this is actually sitting on an old cedar wood chest, so this is definitely on a budget, guys. You don't have to spend a lot of money to beautify your beauty rooms. This is just a starting, point. And my theme is mirror, so there you have a mirror right there. And then that's just a picture on the wall. It just says Paris 101. And then I have another picture over here. It says, when you create happiness, you create love. And then that's just another mirror. And then over here, it says messy bun and getting stuff done. And then we have more mirrors. And I actually got these from the dollar store. So if you guys want to add some mirrors, they do have inexpensive mirrors that are really cute. And these are like small ones. This right here, I believe I got from Big Lots, and it was probably about $30 a while ago, and it was in my dining room, but I got a new bigger mirror for my dining room, so I just added it to this room. And then over here, you guys, this is, let me get it to focus. This is a stand that was actually my fish tank stand that I turned into this lovely beauty shelf for all of my items. I have some of my earrings and stuff over here, and then like earrings and bracelets, a candle on here, and then this is all of my Milani. I love the packaging on Milani, so I decided to put all of my gold packaging right there. And I got these from the dollar store and this from Family Dollar, so this was very inexpensive to make. And then I added some mirrors on the side. I'm going to have a whole tutorial on how I did this whole, setup right here. And then there's another mirror. I got this mirror from, I believe I got this mirror from Ross, and it was about $20. Maybe a little cheaper because it is a little heavy, but I decided to put that right there. These are my shelves that I put some of my perfumes on. I got this shelving from IKEA, so very inexpensive. You guys have an IKEA. And then down here, I added all of my nail polishes, sorry. And then over here, I also got this shelf from IKEA. I think it was about $15. And in here, I just have it all organized. This is my curly hair products. These are basically my stylers. And then right here, I have some conditioners, and I always keep my makeup wipes in here. And then at the bottom, I have all of my like smell goods. Like I use a lot of these are the ones that I use when I get out to shower. And I have some of the lotions that I use when I get out of the shower from like Bath and Body Works and Victoria's Secret. I'm going to change this basket right here, the blue basket, and put it into a more condensed container so that it'll be a lot more organized. But those are all of my sprays, my water, and my gels. And then right here, there's another mirror. This is my ring light and my other light that I film with. And here is my desk, and the desk chair and the desk I got from IKEA. Both, no lie, was about $40 for the desk and the chair. I got these from Walmart. They were about like $4 a piece. I got this mirror from, where did I get this mirror? From Burlington, and it was about $15. I need to clean it off. But yeah. And then over here, I got this shelving from Marshalls, and this is really nice and compact, and I have it like all organized. This was about $20, but I really like it. And then I made these as well to put all of my makeup brushes in, and I also have some of my eyebrow pencils in here. I just got these from Walmart, and then I just added some sand that I got from, I don't know where I got the sand from, probably from Walmart as well. And it was really inexpensive to make, and I just have my camera right there. And then this is another one that I got from Marshalls. I believe it was less expensive than that one over there. And I just keep some of my stuff that I use on a regular right here. These are all Revlon's Victoria's Secret lip glosses and mascaras. And then here are all of my eyeshadow palettes and some of my Bare Minerals. And this is really bomb, y'all. This is my NYX. It is illuminating powder. It's really, really pretty though. I use it for actually eyeshadow. I turn it into like an eyeshadow. Yeah, and so then this is just what the room is looking like on a budget, guys. And it did take me a very long time to get this room together. And I also just picked up this beauty from Ross. It was a little on the pricier side. It is very, very, very plush and so soft. My daughter absolutely loves coming in here, jumping on it. It was about $80, but it was so worth it, guys. And that was probably like the most expensive thing, honestly, besides like my camera that I got for this beauty room. And there's another mirror. And then, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Videos will be up every Friday. Again, everything does not have to be expensive. If you want to shop on a budget, please check out IKEA and Walmart and try some DIY projects that will really save you a lot of money when you're getting your beauty room together. Or just take a small area and just start small in your house and set up that way. And you get you a backdrop and just go from there. Until next time, YouTube. Bye.